It's not just your responsibility to deep clean your kitchen and living room. It's a chance to make those rooms feel like a relaxing haven. A neat and clean space not only looks better, but it also helps your health and well-being. Every step is important for making your home clean and fresh, from getting rid of trash to polishing furniture. You can get every corner done quickly and well if you have the right plan and tools. Watch this video to learn step-by-step ways to clean your kitchen and living room like a pro. Declutter. First, take everything that you don't need off of all areas that you can see, like counters, tables, and shelves. This step helps make the starting point clean and well-organized. Sort through the things in a planned way to decide what to keep, give away, or gift. A place that isn't cluttered sets the tone for good cleaning and motivates you to keep going. Dust and wipe down surfaces. To clean all furniture, shelves, and appliances, use a microfiber cloth or a proper cleaner. The buildup of dust in your home can make it look dull. Don't forget to clean places that aren't noticeable, like the light fixtures, the tops of cabinets, and behind electronics. After that, use a damp cloth to get rid of any grime that won't come off. Take on the fridge. First, empty the fridge completely. Check the dates on food and throw away anything that isn't fresh anymore. Take out the drawers and shelves and wash them with warm, soapy water. Wipe down the inside walls of the fridge with a food-safe cleaner before putting everything back in its place. Scrub the stove, take off all the grates and soak them in hot, clean water to get rid of the grime. While they soak, use a cleaner or baking soda paste to clean the stove's surface. Pay extra attention to spots that won't come off and grease that builds up around the burners. Once the grates are clean, rinse them and carefully put them back in place. Clean surfaces. Pick the right cleaner for your surfaces based on their material. Spray a lot of cleaner on it and use a clean cloth to wipe it down. This step makes sure that the areas you use to cook are clean and free of germs and bacteria. If you need to, rinse with water and dry completely. Sort out the cabinets, take out one at a time, and clean the shelves really well. Go through the things and get rid of any that are broken or not being used. Use dividers or bins if you need to neatly arrange the dishes, utensils, and pantry items. With a well-organized closet, you can get things done faster and with less stress. Vacuum and mop the floors. Use a vacuum to get rid of dust and other things that are on the floors. Be sure to get under furniture and into corners. Then, use a mop and the right floor cleaner to get rid of the spots and make the floors shine. This two-step process will make sure that your floors are really clean. Clean the windows. Having clean windows makes a big difference in how bright a room is. The best way to clean glass is with a microfiber cloth and a cleaner that doesn't leave streaks. Pay close attention to the corners and edges as you wipe down both sides of the windows. Do not forget to clean the frames and edges of the windows. Clean the furniture. To clean sofas and chairs, use a vacuum cleaner with an upholstery attachment to get rid of dust and crumbs. Use a cloth cleaner according to the directions on the bottle to get rid of stains. If you can, wash pillow covers that can be taken off. Having new furniture in your living room makes it more comfortable and clean generally. Deep clean carpets. To deep clean your carpets, you can either rent or buy a carpet cleaner. This will get rid of deep down dirt and spots. First, vacuum the carpet very well. Then, spread the carpet cleaner out evenly over the area. Let it dry all the way through before you walk on it. Not only do clean rugs look better, they also make the air better. Polish wooden furniture. To bring back the shine on your wooden furniture, use the right wood polish or conditioner. Use a soft cloth to spread the product on and work it into the grain. A little polish on your furniture makes it look beautiful and gives your home a touch of class. Add a finishing touch. Finally, use small but meaningful details to improve the mood of your newly cleaned space. To make a room feel warm and welcoming, put a pot of fresh flowers on the table or light a scented candle. These last touches make your home feel warm and inviting after all your hard work. When you do a deep cleaning, your home feels like a new place to live because it is clean and comfortable. Conclusion: it's not just a chore to deep clean your kitchen and living room. It's an investment in your health and the comfort of your home. Not only does a clean room look inviting, it also makes you feel calm and at ease. If you follow these thorough steps, you can make your kitchen and living room not only spotless, but also relaxing and motivating. So, take the time to clean, scrub, and polish your home, and then enjoy how clean and well-organized it is. You can make your house the haven you deserve with a little work and the right tools. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.